Hi guys, this is just a quick video on how to graph linear inequalities and systems of linear inequalities on the Texas Instrument, the Ti-84. I have a Ti-83, but these steps will work just as well for the 84. So first I want to graph this inequality, y is less than or equal to negative 3x plus 7. So before I graph anything, I want to clear my calculator, second plus 7, 1, 2. That way, if anything is in my list, or if any of the plots are turned on, or there's anything in my y1, y2, it clears those out of there for me. So we're going to go ahead and hit the y equals button, and we have all these options. We're going to go to y1, and again, we can't put the inequality symbol in there, so we have to graph the inequality as an equation. So we're just going to graph negative 3x plus 7. So this is where the magic happens. So I'm going to hit enter, otherwise it won't read my graph. Now I'm going to go back up and over to the left of the y1, and this line right here is jumping up and down. I need to change that. If I hit enter once, I get a fat line. If I hit enter twice, I get an arrow pointing up. And if I hit enter a third time, I get an arrow pointing down. And since this is less than or equal to, I want my arrow pointing down. And if we go ahead and graph that, the calculator will do all the shading for us. So this is the line, y is less than or equal to negative 3x plus 7. And anything in this shaded area, any set of ordered pairs in this shaded area, is a solution to this inequality right here. It includes the line because there's an equal to sign up here, under here, so it includes ordered pairs around that line as well. So now I want to graph the system. So I want to graph y is greater than x minus 2. So go back to my y equals, I'm going to go down to my y2 and type in x minus 2. Make sure you're using the minus sign, not the negative sign. And then I'm going to hit enter. Then I'm going to arrow back up over to the left of the y2. And in this case, it's greater than, so I want the arrow that points up. So I enter once, fat line, enter twice, I have my arrow pointing up. The only problem with this is I'm always going to get a solid line, so I can't tell the calculator, give me a dotted line for this inequality. It's going to give me a solid line. Then when I hit graph, there's my systems. This first area here, to the left of this line, is our first inequality, less than or equal to negative 3x plus 7. And then here's y is greater than x minus 2. So this double shaded area in here, just like we did on the graph on the notes, any set of ordered pairs in this double shaded area will be a solution to y is less than or equal to negative 3x plus 7, and a solution to y is greater than x minus 2.